1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my new video. Today we're going to be working on my 3D printer that I just got. Woohoo! I'm hoping that I can use this to make parts for guitars, backplates, knobs, whatever, pick guards, and possibly some other stuff. I don't know. My first time owning a 3D printer, so let's go ahead and get right into the video, shall we?
So this is the box with the printer, as you can see, LK5 Pro by longer. So let me get this camera set up and we'll go ahead and get this box open and see what's inside. Alright, let's get this open. Parts come with it. We'll set these aside over here. Green. Parts. Looks like that's it. So over here, I just bought this table specifically for this printer to sit next to my other table. I'm gonna go ahead, piece this thing together. No point in you don't have to watch the whole thing, but you get an idea what it looks like now, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it pieced together.
Hey, it's me, just popping into my own little video here just to let you know. I tried to record the putting together of the 3D printer, but I did so, but I accidentally erased the footage because it's a new computer, and I was trying to clean some stuff up when I transferred some stuff to another computer. Anyway, I lost that footage, so I don't have it. But here I'm going to show you a recreation by our PowerDirector AI, what it might have looked like. Roll the tape.
Well, that's your point. How do I get this goddamn thing? Oh, wait, there we go. Got it.
So after just a little bit of a struggle to get it in, I realized there's a voltage that you have to switch for being in America. And I did not know that, and it doesn't readily tell you that until you start looking around, and there's a sticker there that tells you, and that's exactly what I had to do. So anyway, so here it is. It's working. Next step, leveling and test printing. I'll do that and I'll come back to you.
Just showing a little bit of the printer in action. It's working. That's pretty cool. So I have my first 3D print. You can see it's hard to tell in this light, but it's not perfect, the surface. So I'm gonna sand this down, and I'm gonna coat it. I'm gonna spray it with a sealer so that it keeps its nice little shape. But first, I want to sand it down and get it smooth, just to make it look nicer. So we'll see what happens, and then I'll do that, and we'll get it on the back of the guitar and see what it looks like. So I'm back. The 3D printer, man, it's running great. I love it. A lot of projects lined up. Can't wait to show you guys. First, remember this. This is the guitar. The first guitar I did, my old guitar that I, if anybody watched that video, probably a little crude, and I'm still getting used to how to do things, but this was it. And the only thing it was missing was that, which is now 3D printed. I will put a link below where I got this. This wasn't my creation. I used somebody else's file, but I'll link to their file. Maybe, you want to try it out yourself, see what you can do with it. I'm personally going to be starting to work on a bunch of new things with the 3D printers, the guitars. I don't know. We'll see where it goes. It's going to be fun. I can tell you that. So, boom, here. Please come back, like, share, subscribe. If you get a chance, go down to like your local food bank and donate some Chef Boyardee, but specifically Chef Boyardee, because there's no reason somebody who is homeless should have to eat like that garbage crap that like Kroger says, hey, this is just like Chef Boyardee. It's not. It isn't. So do that. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, thanks again. Lots coming. Thanks.
Welcome to my channel.